Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar, and today's video topic is difference between identifiers and literals in Java. So let's discuss first of all what is identifiers in Java. So in Java, identifiers are symbolic names used for identification. They can be class name, variable name, method name, package name, constant name, and many of. So, however, in Java there are some reserved words that cannot be used as an identifier. So, for every identifier, there are some conventions that should be used for before declaring them. So, if we get an example, so here is a simple program, hello Java. So, hello Java is a class name, and we declare there is a main method. So, main word indicates the main method, and next one is we use a string. So, string is a predefined class name. Next it args. So args is a string variable, and system is a predefined class. Out is a variable name, and println is again method. So there is some rules for identifiers in Java. So there are some rules and conventions for declaring the identifiers in Java. If the identifiers are not properly declared, we may get a compile time error. Following are some rules and conventions for declaring identifiers. Valid identifier must have characters like uppercase A to Z and lowercase a to Z, or numbers 0 to 9, and underscore or dollar sign. So, for example, at the rate Java point is not a valid identifier because it contains a special character which is a at the rate. So there should not be any space in an identifier, means space is not allowed. And for example, Java T point is an if we give the space between Java and T point, so is an invalid identifier. An identifier should not contain the length of 0 to 9, and identifier should be of length 4 to 15 letters only. So however there is a no limit on its length, but it is good to follow the standard conventions. So we cannot use the Java reserve keyword as an identifier. Next one is a literal. So let's understand what is a literals in Java. So basically literal is any constant value which can be assigned to the variable. It's called literal or a constant. So in a simple words, literals in Java is a synthetic representation of a boolean, numeric, character or a string data. It is a medium of expressing particular values in the program, such as an integer variable named count is assigned an integer value. So there is a decimal literals which base 10. In this form, the allowed digits are only 0 to 9. Thank you.